Hey guys, it's Wolf Lopez here, back with another video. So in this video we are going to discuss about the current situation of cryptocurrencies, the market. We're going to discuss where where I think that the market is heading, like should you buy, should you sell now, all that kind of stuff. And just to be clear with you guys, I think that the first thing that I want to say here that I do believe that the bull run is still going to continue. And I actually yesterday I bought a couple of currencies. You can check those out in my portfolio if you want. And yeah, basically I bought when everything was the cryptocurrency that I bought was over 50% down. So it was a very good discount. I bought it. A lot of people yesterday didn't want to buy, and I bought, and soon after that everything started going up again. So look, for example, Polygon has started going up again. I think that this was a huge opportunity to buy. I said that in a couple of videos um, during these days, and I'm still very bullish. Of course, there's this uh, chance that cryptocurrency could the bear market is coming, but in that case, I don't really care because the currencies and assets, digital assets that I buy, I believe that they do very extremely well in the long term. So I don't really care if the price is going to go up now or later, but I think that it will go up sooner or later because the currencies that I buy have actually use case, and they have like a huge team behind them. Like it's insane, these cryptocurrencies, that there are usually the best cryptocurrencies are not like, if you think about like 2017 Chainlink for example, it was like under 20 cents. Nobody understood what it was. Okay, but now it peaked like $50 or something like that, and now it's over $20 still. There's a couple of currencies like that. Nobody understands what they are about, but they are huge discounted deals right now. And definitely check out the portfolio if you want to check those out. You can see it in the description of this video. But anyway, let's check out what's the current sentiment. Oh my god, I have the pen here. So current sentimental of the market is also, let's check out the market psychology chart. I always like to show this chart. I don't know if you're a beginner or a pro or whatever. I love this chart. I remember seeing this first when I first saw this back in 2017. I fall in love instantly with this because this is just so simple. And now I have been through whole market cycle. So um, I've been in cryptocurrencies since late 2016, and I've been now more than full market cycle. And I can say, guys, that you have to stay one market cycle to truly understand the markets, because you have to get, that's just the experience that you have to get. So prepare for bear market. That's going to be tough because it's going to be longer than you think. And I also think that the bull market is going to be a lot longer than we think. Markets usually go to the way that nobody thinks about. So for example, now as soon as like majority of people, like all people think that we only go down from here, that's when we start going up. Okay, and when majority of people think we go up now, it will go down. Okay, so like you just saw, so it's always opposite, and you have to like play against everyone else. Okay, it's pretty hard, but at the same time, when everything is at the bottom, when nobody is willing to buy, that's when I think that that's when the biggest opportunity is. Because I saw this in 2020, like in 2019, no, like nobody talked about cryptocurrencies, nothing was happening, and that's the biggest opportunity right there. But when it comes to market psychology chart, right now, I think that um, we are somewhere like between here. I think that there's still this huge rally ahead of us. Like, I mean, just massive rally. Okay, and yeah, I just think that there's so much choices left on this bull run, but yeah. So yeah, I bought the dip. But anyway, so I think that a lot of people don't understand. Like, if you haven't been full market cycle, you literally don't have any idea what kind of pump is going to come. Like, I mean, the last in 2017, 2018 bull run, it was insane. The pump was just insanity. I mean it. Okay. And anyway, that's that. So what I think is going to happen is here. Let me show you here. Let me draw it actually here. So I've been in cryptocurrency since late 2016. Okay, let me show you again. So let's actually start it here. So this is 16, and then there was 2017 and 2018 bull run. Okay, and I remember when we were like here, I was like, at that time I didn't know anything about cryptocurrencies. I know that I have made a lot of money here, and I was like, where, like, I think that we just go up. At that time I didn't understand anything. I just think what we went to up, and that's exactly what happened. We just went up. And here, when the peak of the euphoria, I thought that we were going to go up forever. I was like, no, I'm not going to sell anything. We are just going, this is going to be it. But soon after that, everything just, you know, collapsed. And I think that that's very, that exactly thing is going to happen again. Okay, so then there was the bear market, which was pretty rough, and now we headed into the bull market again. So we smashed that last resistance and went even higher and higher, somewhere like here. And now we had this little you know, push back here. Okay, so we are not right now here. And what I think that will happen is that we will consolidate here a little bit. I hope that we consolidate. Of course, we could go down, up, or consolidate. But there is, like, I think that the chances of this is but this is, let's say that this is just the best case scenario that I'm waiting for. I hope that we consolidate here a little bit, and then after that consolidation we can go back higher. Okay, because that would allow us to go even higher and longer. But if we just consider a little bit and then go up again, then it's I think that will affect the whole bull run's length and how far we can go. So I really hope that we consolidate a little bit here and then we go back up. But at some point, the tippy top, the euphoria is going to catch up, the highest euphoria, and after that I think that we just, you know, come down here. Of course, I think that we don't become like, we may become to like, I mean, 15k bottom, 10 to 15k Bitcoin bottom, who knows? But I think that's something like that, where the bottoms could be. Okay, and yeah, after that we consolidate and there's bear market, and after that, you know, a new bull run. But anyway, I think that something like this will happen here, and this is exactly what I'm thinking here. So when I saw this kind of like a dip here, I thought that it was a great buying opportunity. Of course, it's very speculative. I'm not like invested more than I'm willing to lose, of course, all that basic stuff. But seeing, like, I'm understanding that I'm such I'm pretty young, so I have a I can like take this kind of like a more riskier bets, if you will. And yeah, of course you want to eliminate the risk, but you know, you always can't do that. Nothing is like 100% guaranteed. Okay, but I think that that's what's happening here. So yeah, I don't really care about these drops and this stuff. Like, yeah, I think that we are going to go up, and this just shows that to get higher levels we have to, like this, it was like this. Okay, so we go up and then we sell down, then we go up, then it's like, you know what I'm saying. So that's I think that's what's happening here. So anyway, that's that. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and definitely subscribe to my channel. Check out the product in the description. Also check out Token Metrics, link in the description. Very insane machine learning tool. Definitely recommend that one. Okay, so anyway, thank you so much and see you in the next one.